Hi and welcome. I'm trying to learn French. Today basic expressions, and after we've done it we're gonna do wrist training. And if you participate in the wrist training, then it's at your own risk. Now first thing here is, do you speak English? And French, we're having it first written in French, parlez-vous anglais? And then having it written another time as it could be read as if it would be written in English. And better would be when parlez-vous anglais? Anglais. So it can help us to get the pronunciation. So French would I read parlez-vous anglais? And the English parlez-vous anglais. No, and somewhere in the middle must be preferred. Parlez-vous anglais? Do you speak English? Where are the toilets? Où sont les toilettes, s'il vous plaît, monsieur, madame, mademoiselle? And in this English, où sont la toilette, s'il vous plaît? Où sont la toilette, s'il vous plaît? Où sont les toilettes, s'il vous plaît, monsieur, madame, mademoiselle? Où sont la toilette, s'il vous plaît? Next thing, can you help me? Pouvez-vous m'aider, s'il vous plaît? Now the English version. Pouvez-vous m'aider, s'il vous plaît? Pouvoir m'aider, s'il vous plaît. Okay, we go to the next one. It's is se. C and then est. And I'll show you. I'm going to see also how it's written. So there. It's is se. It should be written in English, written like that. Se. Se. It's not ce n'est pas. Ce n'est pas. C'est. Ce n'est pas. C'est. Ce n'est pas. Ce n'est pas. Ce n'est pas. I want to say ce n'est pas. Ce n'est pas. Okay, ce n'est pas. Ce n'est pas. What is it? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Okay, it's not that far away. Qu'est-ce que c'est? 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 Next one. Good is more, and bad is mauvais. I would read the French in mauvais, and the English tells me it's more like mauvais. Mauvais. Bad, mauvais. Bon, good, mauvais, bad. More, mauvais. More, plus. Plus. And less, more. I would read the French as moins, and the English is moins. More. More. Now, and better is mieux, and worse, pire. 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 Mieux, pire. And good and bad was bon, mauvais. And more is plus and less mauvais. Plus, mauvais. I cannot read it. M-W-A-N in English. In French, M-O-I-N-S. More. And two is trop, and where is où. And when is quand, où, où. Où is where, and quand is when. And how is comment. Comment. Comment is how. Okay, we had read comment. No, what is it? C'est combien? That is how much is it? It says combien. It says combien, how much is it? But that's not how. Okay, forget something. Okay. How is comment? And then must I refund? Must I footer? And can I is beton? pardon. Voter, pardon. And will you is voulez-vous. 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 Will you. I'd like is je voudrais. Je voudrais. And this is cesser. Cesser in both is seria. Seria. Cesser, seria. Cesser, seria. Okay, here's something written. Use of tu or moi. As a general rule, tu is used when speaking to relatives, close friends, and children. Teenagers and students use tu among themselves. Wo is used elsewhere. It is not polite to use tu to an adult stranger or shopkeeper. Merci on its own in reply to questions such as, would you like some tea, means, no, thank you. So say, oui, merci, if you would like some. Okay. Do we have next? Next, do we have number, days, months, conversation type? So let's go over them again. We have yes, oui, no, non, please, s'il vous plaît, thank you, merci, merci. Yes, merci. Yes, merci. Sorry, pardon, or excusez-moi. Pardon is pardon. Hello is bonjour. How are you is comment allez-vous? Yes, how are you? How are you? Comment allez-vous? Goodbye is au revoir. Help is Oscar. 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 I am ill. Je suis malade. Je suis malade. How much is it? C'est combien? What does that mean? Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? I don't know. Je ne sais pas. Good morning, bonjour. Good afternoon, bonjour. Good evening, bonsoir. Good night, bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. I would read bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. I don't speak French. Je ne parle pas français. Je ne parle pas français. 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 Could you speak more slowly? Pouvez-vous parler plus lentement? Pouvez-vous parler plus lentement? I didn't understand. Je n'ai pas compris. And do you speak English? Parlez-vous anglais? Anglais. Anglais? I'm pretty sure it is anglais, but I wouldn't read from the English version anglais. I'd read anglais. 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 We have a toilet. Où sont les toilettes, s'il vous plaît? S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Can you help me? Pouvez-vous m'aider, s'il vous plaît? M'aider? M'aider. This is aid. M'aider. M'aid. M'aider, s'il vous plaît. It's c'est. It's not. Ce n'est pas. What is it? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que... I try to understand what syllable is. Let me write it in French. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Good is warm, and bad is mauvais, mauvais. And more is blue, and less is warm. I don't know if that's the English word. Warm. Better is mieux, and worse is pire. And two is trop, and where is où. And when is quand, and how is comment, and must I is faut-il, can I is peut-on, and will you is voulez-vous, and that like is je voudrais, and these is cesser, and those is cela. Now, that was the French part. If you were here for French, you can go directly to the next part of French. We will do now the wrist training. If you participate in the wrist training, then it's better the arms. Good as Dale said, arms next to us, hands come to fists, and we're bringing these fists down. That's the spotlight. And again now. And now, flashlight, fists to the inside and to the outside. We are having 3 rules. The first rule is that we're stopping immediately as soon as there's pain. The second rule is if we're going only as fast as we can go with a little bit of effort, next exercise for magician, flat hands and to the inside, to the outside. And the third rule is that we are not overdoing it. We just want to strengthen, not to exhaust. If you feel like taking a break, do it. And now, the pancake, flat hands and lift them up. And again. And now the T-Rex in the morning, flat hands and down. And up. Now the curve anxious to fever, arm next to us, fist down and press a bit against it. Pull a bit. Press a bit from top. And from the bottom. Now with your other arm, fist down, press a bit against it. Pull again a bit. And press a bit from top. And next exercise, the quadrangular cast-like leg, both fists out, bring them together, and then up, to the outside, down, inside, and up back, down, to the outside, up, to the inside, and now, T-Rex in the jump. You can do it for the tennis ball, just make a strong fist, or press onto the tennis ball, and release and press again. Release and press again. And switching, press, release and press, release and press last time. Now we're doing cautious big bang. Place the fingertips of one hand on top of the fingernails of the other hand, press a bit, open slowly and then close again slowly. And the second time. And now switching. And now the 4 daisies near sit straight up both hands fists. And open, and close, open, close. Last one. The ending. Flat. And now you can skip this exercise. The frog testing the water temperature, hands down with flat fingers. And again up with strong fists. Down with flat fingers. And up with strong fists. And again down. And up. Another Basco bridge, both hands flat. And bend middle knuckles. Hold it. And open again. And bending, holding, opening. Next exercise, you can skip it again. Both arms in with strong fists into flexion. And the arms out into extension with flat fingers. Again, in strong fists flexion. And out extension with flat fingers. And the last round, in strong fists flexion. And out extension flat fingers. And now we're doing biceps, flat hand, bend at the knuckles and press on all 4 fingers. And open again. And with the other hand, bend at the knuckles and press on all 4 fingers. Open again. And now the claw. Flat hands and claws. Hold it. And open. And flat hands. Now close. Open. The last time. Close. Open. And we're doing the unfolding rocket boosters. Long arms, strong fists, the fists into flexion, so to the inside. And now to the outside with the hands, flat fingers, extension. Wrist. With the hands. And again to the inside, strong fists, flexion. To the outside, extension. Flat fingers. To the inside. And the last round, outside extension. And to the inside, flexion. Now we're going with moderate force of the middle part of the lower arm. That is where we extend your toe muscleize. And now on the other arm, we want to relax that one. That was wrist training. I thank you very much and until next time.